In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper pads on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can take your front license plate bracket off. It'll make things a little bit easier so you can reach behind these bumper pads. To do that, you can use a trim tool and just pry down from the top. It has a little clip here that holds it into the bumper. There we go. Try to get the other one as well. Maybe pry it from the back side. Okay, so once you get this out, you basically just have to squeeze these together. It should pull right up and out. And that will allow you to reach your hand in behind and squeeze the clips, which actually look the same as the license plate bracket. And that should get us these bumper pads out. You can use some needle nose pliers, which I'll try to use and squeeze these clips out so you can pry it. There should be 4 of them in total, one here, one here, one here, and one here, obviously behind it. And that's all that's holding these on. I have some needle nose pliers on there. Squeeze the tabs. I guess once you pop one out, the other one wants to kind of break off of there. So now we can see the other side. Fortunately, I can't reach that side as well, so I'm just going to pull away. There we go. These are the clips that we're holding this on. And there it is. Grab your new bumper pad, make sure it's the right side. They should come as pairs. Line it up. Once you line it up, press it into place, and this is done. Now you do the same to the other side. Now to put the license plate bracket on, I'm actually going to start with the top clips, which is the ones that we removed first. But doing this will allow you to clip it in, and then these tabs on the bottom you can pry up. Once you get them over a little bit, press them in, and that's secured. Now you'd put your license plate back on, and there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.